Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the school timetable system in Java. So first what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the file. I already opened the NetBeans file. New project. Select Java application, click next. Create main class, you have to uncheck it if it is checked. Java school timetable. Click finish button. Now you can see the project has been created successfully with the name of school timetable. Yeah, this one. Here default package, select the default package. Here if you have the project is created, there will be the two folders are created, source package and libraries. Select the source package folder, you have to expand it, right click the inside the default package, right click and new Java frame form. Here I am going to add it as timetable, school timetable, school. So just add it as school. That's it. That's the thing you have to do it, right? Okay. Now first start I am going to say this one. First I am going to register the first you have to make the registration part. Okay, so first I am going to drag the label, the registration, your class registration of the class and your days and subject. All the stuff you have to make it as a registration. Common you name it as registration. Registration. Okay, commonly you have to name it as registration. Whatever thing you have to do it here, I am going to name it as registration. Select the font, but the font you have to font style. I'm going to make a bit bold. 24. Click to 36. We'll make it 36. Click OK. Perfect. After that, I'm going to drag the panel over here. This panel, select this one. Right click properties. Border, select the border. Bevel border. OK. Close it. Drag the label. This label, I'm going to name it as this one should be the class. You can what is the class. You have to right click properties, bold with 40 enough, or 16 will be 80 enough, right? Class, and we need a one text field. What is the class? Class name. This also you have named it as 80. Default it's a font coming as 11. Make it as 18. Close it. Right click, edit text, backspace, we will exercise, select again. After that, what I am going to do is here you have to class your registration. You have to drag one button. This one I have to name it as save. Bold 14. Okay. After that, what I am going to do the same thing. I just copy and paste below. This one should be the subject. Right. Here we have a we have two things in same form. If you want, you can register as a subject one, class one form, subject one form. You will be able to designs two form as you wish. Okay, now I am doing the same form. Now what I am going to do is a class. Here first I have to go to the database first. I am going to design a database. Which name is school timetable. School timetable. school timetable, I have a first one should be the class. The class two field. First one is ID. Name. After that, I'm going to create a new field, that is I'm creating a new field, that is that should be the two. This one should be subject. ID. Subject. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here, I have created two different tables, classes and subject. Let's back here. After that, what I'm going to say, I'm going to establish a database connection. So you have to install the appropriate connector. Appropriate connector means you have to download, in order to connect NetBeans and Java, you have to download the MySQL connector for Java. You go to the Google and type MySQL for Java. MySQL connector for Java. It goes to the respective website. You can download the zip file. After download zip files, here you have to extract them the normal folder and you have to import them to the libraries. Okay, so here at jar you can import them. Then only you will be able to connect the Java and MySQL. Okay, after that you have to import the SQL class. Import Java SQL. You have to write the class. After that, what I'm going to say, I'm going to write the connection. So public void connect open and close curly bracket. So what I'm going to do is import the class libraries. So here copy and paste it. You have to click on this one and surround the try and patch. So here we have a connection of here, try to connect objects, connection objects. Pair statement PST. So here import the try catch also. Right. Now here you have to establish your date. Here this is how you have registered the MySQL driver. You have to given the path over here where your database reside on. My database reside on localhost. Which name is you are given here? Which name is school timetable. You just copy this one, paste it over here. This is the username and password when you install the MySQL. This is the default username and password. Okay, that's it. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here, we have two buttons. First, I'm going to create a class. So you have to this one class. You have to this text box name. I'm going to give as txt class. This one txt subject. So first, I'm going to create event action perform. You have to write the query. Simply you have to write the query. Don't worry, I explain it. So write one by one, it takes too much of time to complete the project, so that I return right. Okay. Now here, what I did here is, first I have, this is a text field. This text field txt class. This text field, you have to, what is the value you have type on this text field. I have to assign the variable txt class. After that, I already created the prepare statement object pst connection prepare statement. I have to write insert query, insert into which table you are going to store the record. It's a registration table. This is registration class table and subject table. I have two tables. So the class table. There is a column which is a name. So name column. But the class you are typing, it assigning here, coming here. it will be registered the class registration register successfully. Registration successful. Okay, that's what we have, right? The same thing, copy it. So here, sorry, here we have values. One question mark. Right, what question mark, right? So after that, what I'm going to do is there's a class registration. Okay, so here only field here on this table. So this is the one column. This is what is the value you type on this text by assigning here. It put into this question mark. It insert here. If you call the PST execute update. Same code I just copy and paste it over here. Select this save button. Event action perform. Paste it over the same code, but we have to modify them. Instead of the class, we have type is subject. Subject. Okay. The table which name is subject. Here also subject. Okay. So write subject registration successful. Perfect. This one you have to say COB. Now let's run and check. Where is working fine. Class I'm going to just 6a subject class you can save here. If you save the problem class, what is the name? Insert into class name. What is the problem? Right, the problem is this connection method I haven't called. That's why there is no connection inside. If you are I wrote the connection but I haven't called into the constructor, then without the connection how the date record should be shown. That's why now it's okay. Class 6a, the class you can check here. Click save. Class registration successfully. Okay, now if you want to save subject, what's the subject you are going to save? A subject English. Save subject registration successful. It's very simple, right? So I hope you guys understood the things well. I'll see in my next lecturing how to this all the things are important in the timetable table, and my part 3 video I'll explain how to build the beautiful timetable along with the database connection. Thank you for watching. You have to follow my all the videos of this one. You will be able to do the complete timetable system in Java. Thank you for watching.